What's up guys, this is Saurabh here and welcome to your tech channel SRB TechBit. So recently Samsung has launched the Meanest monster smartphone in India, that is Samsung M51. That phone is with me today, so today we'll be unboxing it and we'll see all the features contained in the phone and we'll test some features like camera, battery and the clarity of the video. All those things we are going to test. So the big thing is that Samsung has introduced 730G Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, the powerful processor in this price range. Big thing is that Samsung has introduced 7000 mAh of battery, that is like a power bank. So let's dig in, let's unbox it and we'll see all the things inside. So let's get started. So let's unbox our Meanest monster smartphone of the world, Samsung M51. So let's unbox it. So this is our phone. Let's move it out of the box and we'll keep it aside. Let's see what are the things are there inside the box. This is 25-watt fast charger given by Samsung, Type-C charger. This is the Type-C cable. Anything else more than that in the box? No, there is nothing more than that. So we'll keep this box aside. Something is there on the top of the box. Let's open it. I think SIM ejector tool. Yes, it is SIM ejector tool. Something more than that is there inside the small box. Let's open it. Yeah, these all are the documentation given by Samsung for M51. So let's not waste our time. So we'll keep these things aside and we'll move back to the phone. This phone is coming with two types of variants. One is 8GB of RAM, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of ROM. Another one is 6GB of RAM, 128GB of ROM. And this phone is coming with two types of color. One is blue, another one is black. I have taken the blue color and I have taken the 8GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM specification. The special thing is that this phone is coming with 7000 mAh of battery. So let's break the seal of the phone. It's opening from here. So this is our Meanest monster smartphone of the world, Samsung M51. So let's make it power on. 1, 2, 3, start. Now it's powered on and you can see this phone is secured by Knox security, as Samsung is giving one feature for the security reason. So friends, I have done the basic setup of my phone. Now we're in the main page of the phone. So now we'll see the hardware specification of the phone. In this phone, Samsung has done the best thing, that they have done the best weight distribution in this phone, as they are using 7000 mAh of battery, but still the phone weight is 213 gram only. And the display, they are using 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Operating system, they are using Android 10 with Samsung One UI 2.1. Chipset, they are using Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G gaming processor with octa-core. RAM, they are using LPDDR4 with 8GB and 6GB variants. And memory, they are using ROM 128GB with UFS 2.1. So these are the basic specification of this phone. M51 is coming with 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with Gorilla Glass 3 protection with HDR10 support. So in the back side you can see that is completely glass-stick, and inside that 7000 mAh of battery is there. And this 3.5 mm port they have given for the earphone, and this is multifunctional Type-C port. This is the single speaker they have given over here, and they are using quad cameras from Sony IMX682 sensor. This is the micro camera, you can see 5 megapixel. This is the LED flashlight. This is the 12 megapixel wide angle camera. This is the 64 megapixel main camera. This is the 5 megapixel depth camera. This is the 32 megapixel front camera they are given over here. Same sensor they are using. This is the SIM ejector tool. This is the noise cancellation mic. This is the volume up and down button. Here Samsung has changed one thing, that they have given the side mounted fingerprint sensor with on and off switch. This is all about the body and hardware features. Now we'll see our side mounted fingerprint sensor, how it is working. As you can see, it is working very smoothly and it is working very fine. Here the touch sampling rate you will find 60 Hz, and it is not smooth as like 90 Hz or 120 Hz, but still you can play games over here, like high-end games you can play, because the processor is 730G and RAM is 8GB, and the Snapdragon processor is there also, so there will be no issue for playing games. This is the back camera view. I am taking the video in the back camera, and the back main camera is 64 megapixel. In that I am taking the video now. You can see the stabilization. You can feel the stabilization, how they have managed, and they have managed well also. You can see the color intensity. The sky is completely cloudy today. So this is all about the back camera. So friends, this is all about today's video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please share these videos as much as possible. If you want, I'll be making more videos on this phone, and please give comment in the comment box if you have any queries regarding to this phone. If you want to purchase this phone, I'll be giving the link in the description. So click on that and purchase this phone. So if you want me to make more video on this phone, please give a comment in the comment box. So I'll be making more videos as per your request. So till that time, stay healthy, stay safe, have a nice day, goodbye.